morning from Lake Biwa. In this episode, our bikepacking ride takes us along the eastern side of Lake Biwa. We're heading towards Hikone. Unfortunately, I'm not feeling my best today. This cold has really got a hold on me, and being on a bike all day really doesn't help. But despite that, it's still a beautiful ride, mostly along cycle paths and quiet back roads.
Over here we have some people planting rice. They have packs of shooted rice, sprouted rice, and this machine just takes them off row by row and plants them as it rolls along the rice paddy. Well, we've seen a lot of this in the last week in Japan. It must be that time of the year to do all the planting. I'm yet to find out how long it takes for rice to get to harvesting. So we're just leaving the path again to go around this little hilly peninsula. Hopefully it's not too hilly. There's been quite a few push bikes passed by us going the other way, so that's a good sign. What do we got? Does that say? Beware of cars parked on the side of the road, it says. Well, it is only Wednesday. There's quite a few people out today on their leisure vehicles. Here's a cafe up here. This looks very interesting. Looks like it's busy too. That's a good sign. Must be the Terrace Cafe. This will do me. What is it here? Must be good. All from motorbikes. How's the knee-high chaps on this? Ocean's big here. Yeah. Oh yeah, Chalet Cafe. Now, I don't think this one was on maps. Nice little bike stand over here for us. Hello. back her in. She's leaning the wrong way.
Sports. Okay, so I'm going to tell you this time from Cosmos.
Hopefully we've got some downhill all the way now. Just wait there, buddy. 1 minute. Shift up the top. Where we say goodbye to Lake Biwa. Cecile is really struggling again today. I think if this continues tomorrow, I think we might be looking for a hospital. Hopefully it doesn't come to that, but I do believe you need to nip these things in the rear pretty quickly, as best you can. It would have been interesting to do the full 200 and something kilometres. It would have been way more than 200 kilometres to do it on a push bike, I think. I think we're probably looking more like 260 or 70. But we just don't have another 6 days to go all the way around. And the accommodation up around the top ends gets a little bit more sparse, more expensive. Yeah, there you go. It's a lot of mountains. A lot of mountains. Big lake. And this over here that you can see is the castle ruins of Hikone. See much where you need to be on the other side of the wall, I suppose.